I welcome once again His Excellency for sparing his time with us. I think him joining us this morning has led greater credibility to this conference, the efforts which have been put in for the last 6 to 7 months.
Recent research shows that how light is actually connected to our brain. So we start a movement called Vision of the Brain and Beyond Vision.
And since I'm the ambassador of Italy, and since Italy is the ambassador of design in the world, I would like to recall and to share a bit of Italian experience in the world of design.
Not going to be any store in 10-15 years time. Now if you look at the modern trade or modern retail as we call it,
one reason being there's an update in lighting technologies. We're moving from conventional to digital.
This is how, these are the aspects which we can, these are the elements which we use to create those effects.
Who might also be working late or have limited time to shop. So we can see that there's a challenge from different angles.
It becomes a character, a story, it has values and it has history. It becomes a stimulus that is provided by the manufacturer or the provider.
That's typical of Indian mentality or Indian sense of believing that sun is protector, sun is God.
We wanted to keep the rest of the space very soft and serene. So we built up installations that use light.
So today's presentation I'm going to focus on a little bit about what art installations are and the role of lighting in art installations, some of my work, interactive art installations and how lighting plays a very...
It's great to be here. It's terrible to be at the fag end of things. And what I did do...
Said, I am a professor of management and I head the School of Humanities and Social Science at GD.
Lighting designer at all. I talk about technologies and not lighting as design.
Practically just 10-12 openings in the facade of this mall. I think most of us in our houses have more openings than that.
And because of that, it's a warm kind of life. So, what have we not fulfilled?
Il museo space religioso nel museum of the Sacred Cow.
So I'm going to show you this little film. This is, again, it was a museum. It's supposed to be a museum, but it's become
All designs, whether they were the traditional chandeliers or the contemporary designs, revolved around.
Can be literally placed at different angles, fixed and pushed inside this lug, and it can gives you different kind of lights at different angles. For example, if you hold it vertically,
Why do you think that Indian stores could not be featured in your presentation about different styles of lighting?
Enhancing the product. That is a totally new
robbing future generations of a simple pleasure.
Our energy levels go down.
What I've heard today and a little bit yesterday is that the use of natural light is varying from client to client.
Something like that. So, it's not always so easy. And we show it for tourists that they must have gorgeous lighting or keep it the typical.
we will be ahead of the game. Then it will all come together. Well, no matter what you do, retail,